Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this presentation on the key benefits of AI-powered outbound calls over traditional approaches. In today's competitive world, relying on traditional outbound calling methods often means high volumes, limited intelligence, and heavy manual effort with inconsistent results. But with AI-powered outbound calling, the game changes completely. AI brings smarter targeting, real-time insights, predictive analytics, and automation to every stage of the outbound journey. The result? Higher contact rates, faster resolutions, improved agent productivity, and a superior customer experience, all while reducing costs and boosting ROI. In this session, we'll explore how AI revolutionizes outbound calling and why organizations adopting AI-first strategies are outperforming traditional methods like never before. Let's begin with smarter targeting and timing, a critical factor that defines the success of any outbound calling campaign. In the traditional approach, calls are typically made in bulk at fixed times, following a rigid schedule. While this may seem efficient on the surface, it often leads to missed calls, lower contact rates, and wasted agent effort because customer availability varies widely. Now, here's where AI-powered targeting completely transforms the game. AI analyzes past call history, customer behavior patterns, time zone preferences, and engagement data to accurately predict the best possible time to reach each customer. The result? A significant boost in contact rates and a much higher right-party contact rate, ensuring that agents spend more time speaking with the right customers and less time chasing unanswered calls. By shifting from guesswork to data-driven precision, AI enables organizations to achieve better customer reach, higher productivity, and improved campaign outcomes. Next, let's look at how AI dramatically improves agent productivity in outbound call operations. Under the traditional approach, agents spend valuable time dialing unanswered calls, wrong numbers, and performing repetitive manual tasks after each call. These inefficiencies not only reduce the number of meaningful conversations but also increase agent fatigue and operational costs. With AI-powered outbound systems, productivity reaches an entirely new level. AI-driven dialers intelligently reduce idle time by connecting agents only when live customers are available. Meanwhile, automated after-call work summarizes conversations, updates CRM records, and logs outcomes in seconds, saving up to 40 seconds per call compared to manual processing. The result? Agents can handle more calls per hour, focus on quality interactions rather than clerical work, and experience lower stress levels, all leading to greater operational efficiency and improved employee satisfaction. AI ensures that every minute of an agent's time is spent where it matters most, building better customer connections and driving business outcomes. Let's now turn to lower abandonment and better compliance, two areas where AI makes a dramatic impact on outbound calling quality. In traditional dialing systems, predictive dialers often overdial in pursuit of higher call volumes. This sometimes results in customers answering the phone only to find no agent available, leading to abandoned calls, customer frustration, and even compliance violations in highly regulated industries. AI-powered dialing changes this completely. By monitoring agent availability in real time and dynamically adjusting the dialing pace, AI ensures that calls are launched only when an agent is ready to engage. The result? A significant reduction in abandonment rates, strict adherence to compliance regulations, and above all, stronger customer trust because every answered call connects seamlessly to a live, prepared agent. With AI, dialing strategies become smarter, customer-centric, and regulation-friendly, turning a common weakness of traditional systems into a major strength. Now, let's focus on higher conversion rates, one of the most valuable outcomes of AI-powered outbound calling. In traditional calling methods, every lead is treated the same. Agents spend time calling low-quality contacts with the same effort as high-potential leads. This not only reduces efficiency but also wastes valuable agent time and campaign resources. With AI-powered lead scoring, the entire approach shifts to precision targeting. AI evaluates customer behavior, demographics, engagement history, and past interactions to rank leads by their likelihood to convert. And it doesn't stop there. AI also recommends next best offers or actions during the call, enabling agents to tailor conversations in real time for maximum impact. The result? Higher conversion rates, better ROI on campaigns, and more revenue, with fewer wasted calls and a far more strategic use of resources. AI ensures that every call made is a step toward meaningful outcomes, not just another number on a call list. Next, let's explore how AI delivers an enhanced customer experience, turning routine calls into meaningful conversations. Traditionally, agents relied on rigid scripts, often delivering lines in a monotone, robotic manner. This approach made interactions feel impersonal, sometimes leaving customers frustrated or disengaged. With AI-powered real-time agent assist, the conversation takes on a whole new dimension. AI listens to calls in real time, performing sentiment analysis, detecting customer intent, and recommending personalized responses or tailored offers instantly to the agent. The result? Conversations that feel natural, empathetic, and customer-first, where agents can respond with confidence and relevance, creating stronger connections and boosting customer satisfaction. AI ensures that every interaction reflects the brand's professionalism while keeping the customer experience at the center of every call. Now, let's look at how AI delivers data-driven insights that transform the way contact centers operate. In the traditional approach, supervisors manually review a small, random sample of call recordings for quality checks. This limited view often means critical trends, compliance issues, or coaching opportunities go undetected until it's too late. With AI-powered speech analytics, the entire process becomes comprehensive and proactive. AI reviews 100% of calls, analyzing conversations for tone, sentiment, keywords, and compliance risks, all in real time. The result? Deeper insights, faster decision-making, and continuous improvement in both agent performance and customer experience. Instead of reactive, limited analysis, businesses now have a data-rich, always-on system driving quality, compliance, and strategic planning with unprecedented accuracy. Finally, let's explore how AI powers omnichannel orchestration to create a seamless customer journey. In the traditional approach, if a customer doesn't answer a call, agents often retry multiple times manually, sometimes at random intervals. This can lead to customer frustration and lower engagement rates. With AI-powered orchestration, the process becomes intelligent and automated. If a call fails, AI instantly triggers a personalized SMS, WhatsApp message, or email follow-up, choosing the right channel and timing based on customer preferences. The result? A seamless, connected customer experience, higher engagement rates, and less customer irritation, as the outreach feels timely, relevant, and customer-first. AI ensures every interaction flows smoothly across channels, making the customer journey consistent, efficient, and far more satisfying. As we wrap up, let's summarize the transformation from traditional to AI-powered outbound calling. Traditional outbound calling has been volume-driven, manual, and less efficient, relying heavily on agent effort with limited insights or personalization. In contrast, AI-powered outbound calling is intelligent, personalized, automated, and predictive, bringing smarter targeting, real-time assistance, and data-driven decision-making to every stage of the customer journey. The result? Higher agent efficiency, a better customer experience, stronger compliance adherence, and measurable business growth. AI doesn't just improve outbound calling, it redefines it for the modern era, turning every interaction into an opportunity for success and customer delight. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.